Alright, so a quick review. ZL1addons.com. Jeep Renegade tow hooks for the 2015 Renegade. Relatively simple. Pull out the front cover. Shorter one goes in the front. The back apparently takes the longer one. And guess we'll throw them on and see how easy they thread in and if the pitch is right. And they are. So that pitch is good. Tighten it up. I guess here it's got the adjusting nut here. You can actually move these in or out from the frame and adjust them exactly where you want to put them. Then you got the longer one. Gotta love the Jersey snow and people who wear sandals with socks. The back one. Feel it. See if you can find the hole. Yep, so that threads in. So time will tell. We'll adjust them up, see how they do. Hope this helps. Just a quick video. Couldn't find anything online. Nice quality, heavy duty, very firm hook. You know, obviously to be broken in. And like I said, it's got the adjusting nut there, so you can adjust it, I guess, over time when it gets a little sway, so it doesn't hit your bumper or anything like that. So far so good. Thank you, ZL1 Add-ons.